Good morning, students. You are watching Vivek Sir Study Point, and today's topic is variable circular motion or tangential acceleration. Dear students, in the previous videos, you have seen centripetal acceleration and how the body will change its velocity during the circular motion, and if a body is moving on a circular path, its linear velocity always change, but एंगुलर मोमेंटम जो हो रहा है हमारा, यानी एंगुलर जो मोमेंट है उसमें, और एंगुलर वेलोसिटी विल रिमेन कांस्टेंट है. एंगुलर वेलोसिटी विल रिमेन कांस्टेंट, that is denoted by omega. And now we will start the topic. If the circular motion of the particle is not uniform but variable, then along with the radial centripetal acceleration, radial या centripetal दोनों एक ही मीनिंग है, the particle will also have a tangential acceleration if in a small time of interval delta t. मीन्स अब इसमें हम देख पा रहे हैं कि सेंट्रीपिटल एक्सेलरेशन आपका a है और उसे हम लोग ए टी से डिनोट किया हुआ है. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय ए टी बिकॉज ए फॉर एक्सेलरेशन एंड टी वर मीन्स टेंजेंटियल एक्सेलरेशन. सो इट इज डिनोटेड बाय ए टी and time taken to change the velocity is delta t, and the rate of change velocity we can say that delta v upon delta c, delta t. So it is at equals to delta v upon delta t. It is the tangential acceleration, and if the time interval delta t is intimately very small and delta t tends to 0, then instantaneous tangential acceleration of the particle will be at equals to limit delta t tends to 0 and delta v upon delta t, and delta v upon delta t becomes dv upon dt. So at equals to dv upon dt, and we know the value of acceleration which having the direction towards its center of the circular path. So AR means radial acceleration, means centripetal acceleration. AR equals to V square upon R. So we can say that V square upon R equals to dV upon dt, और या फिर these two acceleration are mutually perpendicular, और अगर वो mutually perpendicular हैं then we can say that by the Pythagorean theorem having the triangle. Hence the magnitude of the resultant acceleration A equals to square root AR square plus AT square. It is the final acceleration. In the variable circulation motion, the particle, the radial acceleration and tangential acceleration both variable, hence the resultant acceleration of the particle A is also the variable, and it is not directed towards the center of the circle. Now the next topic is centripetal force. We will see the next video, and you are having good day and goodbye.